Hello! Today we are seeing 3 tricks in Microsoft Edge. So let's start.
First, here, vertical tabs. Here, open Microsoft Edge, and then here click on this action. And here, click on turn on vertical tabs. Here in vertical tabs, you have all of your tabs. You can add a tab, add a tab, add a tab, and also close tabs. And here you can also pin it. And if you wanted to turn it off, just click here and click turn off vertical tabs. And you can also right click and click on hide title bar. Here just search for Google. And here's it. Next, let's go to the next feature. And next here we have read out loud, and it's also called the Impress Reader. Here, go to our website. I have gone to the Windows. Can I upgrade to Windows 11 Microsoft page? Here in the address bar, you can see this icon. Just click on it. Wait.
Can I upgrade to Windows 11? If your existing Windows 10 PC is running the current version of Windows 10 and meets the minimum hardware specifications to run Windows 11, it will be able to upgrade.
And here is it. Next, let's go to the next feature. Next here, we have the sidebar. Here in the sidebar, we have here, first here the Copilot. Ask something. What is this page? She is now searching for the page information, and here I can just hear it.
It looks like you're asking about the concept of a web page. A web page is a document that can be displayed in a web browser like Microsoft Edge.
Next, you have all of your apps. You can add the app just from here. And here you have the sidebar settings. You can choose here in every Edge bar. Here, if you close Microsoft Edge, it will still be there. I will turn it off so you can see it. Just wait. Personalized sidebar, yeah, is that plus button. Allow sidebar apps to show notifications. I'm not activating that. And there you can see the website and app specific settings. And here in Copilot you have its settings. Allow Copilot to read, yeah. So here these are all of my 3 tips and tricks in Microsoft Edge.
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played